I would like to show you how to create a collection and upload photos to DuggOnline. There are multiple ways to create a collection. One of them is to use the quick action Create Collection. Whenever pressed, a collection is instantly created. You can use the Upload or Edit Photo button to add photos to your collection. Here you will find a huge drop zone. You can either drag and drop your photos into the drop zone, or simply press it so that you can select the photos from your computer. Whenever uploaded, you can go back and view the uploaded media. Another option is to use the quick action Add Media. This will allow you to either add media to an existing collection or to create a new collection. Followed by the same drop zone. Once again, select the photos that you would like to upload and wait for the upload to be finished.